Hello, hello. Beautiful day. And I don't know, can you see it on my back, but there is really expensive yacht here in Amed. I don't know. It's a million yacht. I don't know how many millions, but really expensive looks like. What is the plan for today? Today we go back to drift diving. We have some friends arrived from pretty close from Singaraja. They asked for drift diving. So we go for drift diving. Where I'm gonna bring them? I'm gonna bring them probably to the Bunutan. Yesterday Bunutan was really good. And I think the visibility today is way better than yesterday, just because the waves are smaller. 2 great dives. This time we went from the beach and came out on a boat. And then we changed the tanks and went out almost to after the land beach, not the usual place where we start deep blue dive site. We started somewhere from the middle because the guys needed to go all the way up to Japanese wreck, which we did. I started a little bit too early, definitely, but you cannot really calculate how strong will be current. Strong, not enough. Maybe maybe there is no current at all. Who knows, right? So we started when it was a low tide, I think the maximum low tide, and so that's why there was a lot of finning. But yeah, we reached, plan was done, finished the dive, 20 minutes boat ride back to the Bunutan beach where we started. Every time when I'm trying to record video here in Melasti, it's always really windy, especially in the evenings, because there is this gap between the mountains, and that's why there's a lot of pressure coming down. And if on the other side there is rain clouds, it creates a lot of pressure, so that's why it's always windy here. Yep, great dive sites. I haven't been doing any boat dives for really long time, like a kind of I don't know, since oh no, there was we did one boat dive with the guys when I did 5 dives a day, but that was the last time I did it. So yeah, thank you very much for watching today. Follow, subscribe, smash thumb button, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.